Do you like this transition? Let's see how you can do it. In order to keep it simple, we will use just 2 walls. As you can see, you can do this effect with you on the scene, or without. Place onex, having the side of the camera touching the wall, to avoid scratching the lens. Start moving in a half circle, as smooth as you can. Repeat the shooting on the next wall, with the same rotation. If you're on the scene, do the same half circle rotation, by holding the camera in front of you. Now open the INSV file of the first wall, with Insta360. Choose Free Capture. Find the point when the camera starts moving. Set the desirable view and add a keyframe. Go to the end, and find the point when camera touching the wall, or stop moving. Again, set your view and add another keyframe. I suggest to add a keyframe in between those two, and zoom in a bit for better results. When you are satisfied with the result, export the file. Repeat the same steps for the second wall. Now open your editing program. I will use iMovie because it's easy and free for all Mac users, but you can do it with any editing program. Import the MP4 files. Playback, and check the first transition. If you see a bump, trim the first clip end, or the beginning of the second clip if it's necessary. When your transition is smooth enough, add the next clip. Since we are dealing with just 2 walls, I will copy the same clips. Again, check and trim the transition. You can also change the speed of the rotation to make it faster or slower. When everything is fine, click Export.